These are the best fitness trampolines in 2021. Welcome to Which Fit. Up first we have BCAN Foldable Mini Trampoline. The trampoline surface is crafted from rubber which offers plenty of traction, keeping you safe and supported as you jump. You can adjust the height of your handlebars that are covered in soft foam and is very comfortable to grip. For added safety and comfort, BCAN has covered the springs with a ring of padding. The trampoline is able to be folded twice, which is very easy to store. Up next there's Leaps ReBounds Fitness Trampoline. The Rebounder uses superior quality materials such as bungee cords rather than springs, thick gauge steel to prevent warping, and added rubber washers to prevent the legs from coming loose, all of which provide a safer, quieter, and more durable cardiovascular exercise experience. It also comes with a free bungee installation tool to make setting up your trampoline efficient and hassle-free. And lastly, we have Sportplus Miniature Indoor Rebounder. This trampoline comes with a T-shaped handrail that springs up from one side of the trampoline. The trampoline surface is designed to offer plenty of traction so you won't have to worry about slipping mid-workout. The Rebounder also relies on bungee cords for its bounce. This creates an experience that's gentle, comfortable, and quieter than most. That was all for today, guys. You will find the links to these products in the description box below. Also hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you in the next one.